Hello everyone, this is Leah from Language University and I'm here with a tidbit for teachers. Today we're talking about glue. And what we like to do for glue is we will use a glue sponge versus the glue stick, because the glue sticks, they get all over the place, the kids trying to eat them, it gets weird quick, and you don't want to have to worry about that. So what we do with the glue sponge is we take a sealed container, take the lid off, add your glue sponge, and then you'll take a gallon of glue. We use Elmer's, but you can use whatever you'd like. Pour it on top so that it seeps in and that it's moist at the top, and then flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. Then the child's gonna take whatever they're going to be gluing down, put it right on top of the glue sponge. It'll adhere beautifully to the page, no extra mess. Maybe a little bit of a Kleenex or hand wash at the end, but overall there's not going to be glue on the table, the page, anything like that. And you can do these for multiple tables. It's very easy to keep up. And then if it gets a little dry, the sponge, all you have to do is spray down the sponge, flip the sponge over and spray the other side, and you're good to go for months on end. You'll just have to replenish the glue every couple weeks or so, depending on how often you're using it. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.